Alright guys, excuse the dryer going in the background. Just wanted to come on and show you what I am wearing to the office today. Today is Monday. I think I'm going to do kind of like what I wore to work this week, kind of like a winter version, because some of you did ask me to share like my work outfits for the winter. So this is one that I'm wearing today. This dress I got from H&M. I wore it for the first time when I was in Chicago. I wore it on a date night. You guys know I love dresses, especially I love wearing dresses to work. It's just super easy for me. So I just paired it with my brown over the knee boots, and that's it. This is my outfit for today. It's actually going to be pretty warm today, so I didn't put tights on. It's going to be like 60 degrees today. So yeah, I just thought I would throw this on and wear this to the office. So this is my Monday OOTD. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to go and get some coffee. I'm gonna get an iced coffee. You guys always ask me what my drink is, so I'll share it with you guys when I get there. Monday iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, and 2 pumps sugar-free cinnamon dolce. No classic. No ice. No ice. That's okay. Thank you. Did y'all get that? Okay. All right. So did y'all see? So I get a grande iced coffee with ice, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce, and then I get a venti of ice on the side, and I literally just pour the grande drink in the, well, you take out some of the ice because it's too much ice, and that's literally how you get an instant venti. I just add half and half, and that's it. Easy peasy. And it is $2.95 for that drink. So that drink cost me $2.95. That's literally what I order every time I go. When I get hot coffee, same thing, is just hot. So I get a grande coffee, blonde roast, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps cinnamon dolce. Ask them to put it in a venti cup, and then I just add half and half. So yeah, that is my little tip for the day for all of my new subscribers who ask me what I order when I get coffee. So yeah, all right guys, bye. February 3rd, and it is 65 degrees. It's just crazy to me. So I don't know what that means. Maybe we're gonna have a extremely hot summer. Probably won't get no spring, but yeah, it's 65 degrees here, and that is very unusual. But home and make dinner. I still have some rotisserie chicken left, so I'll probably make that and some Brussels sprouts on the side. And yeah, that's it. Do a little workout at home. I'm still working out at home, y'all. I have a new scale that I'm getting later this week, so I'll share that with you guys, and maybe I'll share kind of like a workout update, like my at-home workout update, something, I don't know. But yeah, if anything else comes up, I will be sure to share it with you. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So this is my outfit for today. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. So I'm just wearing this sweater that I shared with you guys a while ago from H&M. It's very lightweight. It's another warm day today. It's only supposed to get up to like 60 today, but the temperatures are supposed to drop later. So, and then I'm just wearing some black pants from H&M as well, and then my studded flats. So yeah, this is my simple work outfit of the day. So yeah guys, this is what I'm wearing to the office today. I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting stuff ready and get packed up so that we can get out the door. So catch you guys later. Bye. All right everyone, happy Wednesday. Today is hump day, and I am just wearing this oatmeal colored sweater dress from H&M. Yes, there's a trend here guys. I'm either wearing H&M, Zara, or Nordstrom. one of the three. But this dress I also have in gray and a dark tan. So I love sweater dresses. I've mentioned it before to you guys, but yes, this is what I'm wearing today. And I just put on some black tights, my black suede over the knee boots, and I'm just gonna wear my black puffer coat from Zara back there because it's cold today. It's like 20s, 30s today, so it's gonna be really cold. Also gonna wear my ear warmer here. So I just threw on my ear warmer so you could see how it looked on all together. So yeah, I really love this. I should get it in other colors too, but I really like the cream. It's super cute. So yes, loving this, and it really does work. It really keeps my ears warm because I wore this all while I was in Chicago last month, and my ears were not cold at all. So yeah. All right everyone, happy Thursday. We are almost there. Today I decided to wear jeans because I just don't feel like putting any effort. I don't feel like wearing a dress. I just wanted to wear jeans today. So wearing my H&M cozy chunky sweater, Topshop Jaime jeans, and then just my tan Chelsea boots here. Keeping it casual but still office appropriate. But yeah, this is what I am wearing to the office today. Catch you all later. Bye. done for the day. I'm gonna run to Whole Foods before I pick something up and get a few things. Hello everyone, happy Friday. We finally made it. This is my final OOTD for the work week. So today I am just wearing a pair of my Topshop black Jaime jeans with the distressed holing in the knees. This sweater with the gold detail is from H&M, H&M Leopard Headband, and Steve Madden Leopard Flats. So yeah, very casual, very simple, all black look. A key to wearing all black is to always have a lint roller because yeah, you get lint all over black stuff. So that's a little tip. I always keep a lint roller in the house, and I also have one in my office desk as well. So yeah, something else someone asked me is how I keep my black looking black. I use Woolite Dark on my dark clothing, so that keeps everything looking nice and not dusty and ashy looking. I also do not dry my black clothing in the dryer. I hang dry or lay flat all of my dark clothing. Also, if you guys were wondering what fragrance I wore all this week, I wore the Chanel Venice. This is the fragrance that I wore every single day this week, so just wanted to mention that as well. So yeah guys, I thank you all so much for coming along with me this week and sharing in my what I wear to work. If you want me to do more videos like this, I may do like a spring what I wear to work video, summer. So yeah, if you guys like this, I will continue to do them for you. But it was fun. It was nice kind of, you know, bringing you guys with me and showing you what I wear to work. Gave you a little sneak peek on kind of like my work routine. Not too much, but just a little bit. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just list them below. I'll also list all the outfits for each day of the week for you guys. I may not be able to find links, but I'll at least list everything and share where I got it from. But everything is pretty much H&M. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Something says thanks. Bye guys.